Yes, no. The recording is appearing to you, Isha? Anybody please respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Recording is appearing. Now my screen is appearing.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Fine. So from here. So you understand that this floor division, double slash is there, expression definition, that it may combine the values, variables, and operators. Even a value all by itself is also considered. I have given one expression here, 10 divided by 5 plus 2% 3. So 10 by 5 will give what? 10 by 5, 10 slash 5 will give that integer value or floating point value?
Floating point.
Floating point. So 2.0 and plus 2, it is giving 4.0. But in a script without printing expression all by itself does not do anything. So I have already told that in code, in a script, you will have to write the print, not only the hitting the value or variable name like on the prompt. So order of operation PEDMAS, I have already told that parenthesis, one exponentiation should be also there. I will modify it. Then exponentiation, division, multiplication, modulus, operators, no, exponentiation will be first, then division, like that. PEDMAS. So I think when I was teaching you this, this particular 10 by 5 by 2 or 10 by 5 by 2, only the stressing the words. So 10 divided by 5, the whole divided by 2. Okay, no problem. Same rank operator, so there is no confusion of the answer will be 1 or 4. The 10 divided by 5 by 2 or 10 by 5 by 2. So it is stressing the words may differ the answer, but when you are writing, it will check the if the same rank operators are used in a single expression, the associativity will be left to right. So 10 by 5 by 2, whether you stress the word or not, whether you stress the word roko mat jane do, roko mat jane do. So that will not here. In which way you are writing, it will show. And if you want to make the precedence for the 5 by 2, then it will give what result? 4. In C, it was giving because integer 5, because the 5 by 2, it will be giving integer value 2 only. But here, the single slash gives the floating point value. So now it is not the time. You can take that, review that question, what is Python and future of Python. I have already told I will have to do that in class activity. So in class activity, same in the output, unmuting your mic. I have already asked this one. The next question, who is giving me answer first? Either in the chat box with this time or saying that 5 double asterisk 2 double asterisk 3. It is the exponentiation operator. So first we will have to answer in that way. So it is 5 to the power 8 or it is 25 to the power 3.
5 power 8.
Who has told 5 to the power
5
8?
power 8.
Who has told?
Nitish.
It is not 25 to the power 3.
No, sir.
Nitish. So what do you have understood here?
Its associativity is from right to left.
Good. It is only, Nitish, full mark. So it is only the exponentiation operator in Python whose associativity is from right to left. So it is not 25. And if you are having any confusion, you can use the precedence parenthesis also. But if it is simply written, then the associativity of exponentiation operator will be right to left. It is still debated. It is still being debated by the MathWorks Corporation who developed the math. So why not associativity of exponentiation operator is kept left to right? So it is The output is what? Anyway, because it will be the bigger number, so you cannot compute that what will be 5 to the power 8 anyway, so that you can compute and say me the answer in the chat box. 3%, I will ask, nobody is supposed to answer. Randomly, I will ask to anyone, that will be answer only. Vidya is there, Vidya. 3%, 10. Yashas, Gangava, Indraja,
Yes, sir, I am there.
name,
Vidya.
Vidya, 3%, 10.
3% 10 is 3.
3. Okay, how to, just say me one expression. How to find 3% of 10? Percent is the
Sir?
modulus operator. Percent is
Yeah.
the modulus operator. But my question is mathematical. How to find 3% of 10?
3%
Write the
of-
expression. Yes, 3. I am asking question. I have to find 3% of 10. How to write that expression?
3 divided by 10.
3% of 10. Suppose I am telling you to find the 50% of or 40% of 60. How you are writing the
3.
expression?
This one
40%
3 divided
of
by
60.
10 into 100.
Yes, tell me again.
3 divided by 10 into 100.
Okay. Any simplified? 10 multiplied by? I want to start with 10 multiplied by?
10 multiplied by 100. Sorry, you're
10
confusing
multiplied
me.
by 0.03.
Okay.
10
Okay.
multiplied by 0.03. 0.03 means 3 by 100. So you will be needing this one to write the expressions. Now it is the last question without checking. And if you are checking and answering, then also they will have to answer why. If it is touched in the TYL class or not, or in your Python P2, that what TYL P2 exam you have passed. This is the open question. Who is answering it first? Minus 11% 9. Minus 11% 9. Nobody is taking that question. Minus 11% 9. 11% 9 everybody will give. Minus 11% 9 nobody will give. I have to conclude the session. I am keeping this question. If you are getting the time next class, you can discuss. If you are finding the answer also, the answer is 7. The answer is 7, but why it is 7, you will have to debate. Okay. And the last slide, your textbook and reference book. I have downloaded the textbook complete also, and that will be also available in your Google Classroom, so that you will not have to go for this textbook, so that you can download it in reverse also, and today's lecture notes. So I love you all. Have a nice day. I will be uploading the contents. Enjoy Python. First, I will have to do the stop recording.